Hi all. So today we are gonna see how we can actually extract the Figma information and feed it to a cursor or Copilot to build the UI with the exact same specs as given in Figma. Mostly we just take a screenshot and feed it, but the specs are not correct because out of image it cannot really extract the pixels, the units, and the measurements of that particular UI, right? So this is Framelink. This is MCP server. And first of all, we are going to integrate this MCP server into our GitHub Copilot. So let's see how do we do that. So there are various methods or ways to do it. So for example, you can actually copy and paste this configuration inside your project. For example, you can go to .vs code and create a MCP .json file and paste that particular configuration here. Or the other method is you can actually open the composer, Copilot composer, and just click the settings button. It'll show you this particular thing, add more tools. You click here and then click on add MCP server. It'll ask you what kind of, how do you want to add that particular MCP server. So let's click npm package name. So what is the package name? Let's go to quick start and yeah, here we are getting it. Let's paste it here, enter, allow, enter to confirm. Okay, enter. Now, do I want it in the user settings applied across all the workspace or user? Let's say workspace only. Okay, cool, good enough. Now I need to feed some key here. Let's see how do we get it. So for getting this key, go to your Figma and you can open your profile, go to settings, go to security, and you can generate a new token from here. Now let's name it something. Now you have to just give read-only access to your dev resources and file content. Although sometimes it's helpful to give more access to other things for better efficiency and performance. For example, in my case, I'll give access to library assets. That should be it, I think, and generate token. Okay, now I'll just copy this token and paste it here, and I save it. After saving, you see something is happening. I'll just click on the setting icon again and see, yeah, it is reflecting my MCP server here. I think it should be good to go. After this, let's add a prompt. Build a standalone Angular component exactly matching this Figma. And for our Figma, we'll go to our Figma design. And for this use case, we'll use this Figma design and we'll build this section particularly. Now let's select this node and right click, copy link to selection, go back to our Copilot, paste the link here, and let's use the new control flow and make it functional. This should be good. Copilot is working on it, and see, hey, it triggered our MCP already. Nice. Getting the Figma information, working. Mm, it'll create a asset folder to store your assets. May that be images or icons. Hey, it's downloading the Figma images also. Nice. Let it work. Nice, it downloaded the images, extracted the images out of Figma, and it's creating the standalone component, the HTML template, the style files, component class, and soon enough it's gonna add it to our landing page. It's almost done, and let's see. Hey, this is a beautiful UI created. Isn't it amazing? Our functionality is also working. So that's how you can actually create your UI using Figma.